Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. I'm Mahesa aka Ukulele12. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for this new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with the 1TB version, and the color of it is the titanium gray. So without further ado, let's find out what's inside the box. Alright, let's start the unboxing for this product. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is the 1TB version. As you can see here, we have the 1TB, and the color is titanium gray. And normally I pick the color, like exclusive color, which is the blue one. No, the last one for the Samsung Galaxy S24, it was the blue one. And there's just like a black titan and then green. I thought that it was very good at first, but seeing it in life, like, I changed my mind, so I picked the titanium gray. And the side's just the same, similar box like Samsung, and then Galaxy S25 Ultra here. It's just an image embedded, I think, in the carton, and the back side, it's just like the normal shit. So to open this, like, normally I will use a knife, but this time, because it's easier, because they already have like the pre-made lines here, I can just tear it off easily. That is so satisfying. And the bottom part as well. That way I will not show you my knife collection. So open it in. Open this. So this is like the phone itself. Like, the color of it, it's more of like it's like a nice premium color, like from the side and the front. Like, I will peel this off, don't worry about it. Like, this is the volume, and then is it the Bixby or the turn on button? Like, the camera right now, it's getting like a bigger lens, and it still has like the same fingerprint, because I really like touching my phone, but sometimes it leaves, the fingerprints. And the front side, so I will just put it aside first here, and then let's see what's inside of the box. Like, it's normally like the same usual stuff, because they want to be super eco-friendly, and that they will not provide anything else besides, the cables. Like, that's just stupid, because for a price that you pay, like, at least they can give something specific, like something special. Even a sticker, I would really love to have that. Like, this is the standard USB Type-C, and then same shit for the book quick start guide. Like, come on, who really read this? Like, I mean, that's it. And the SIM ejector kit, like that. So let's just peel this off. I mean, like, this is like the best part when you peel something new. Like, that is so satisfying, and it's pretty nice. Like, it's quite, to be honest, it's quite lighter than the Samsung S25. But I'll be honest, I'm kind of disappointed with the fact that it's more of like a square phone instead of rounded style for the different Samsung Galaxy S24. But I don't know, maybe I have to try this again. Like, so far, I take it in my hand, like, there's just no bump at all, and there's no pointy edge. And yeah, I think I need to see how it goes, and maybe I will make like a review for the next video for this phone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So if you really like my content, please do leave a like and comments down below. If you don't know what to say, just put an emoji, spam it. I don't care because it really helps out with the algorithm. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day and see you until the next one. Bye.